our factory in Ethiopia.
Share a little bit about what it looks like inside, some of the faces behind the products that you all get to be part of, that you, when you wear a Parker Clay bag, it's so much more than just a bag. The best leather in the world comes from Ethiopia, made right here. And what we do is we hand select every piece. We're actually known to collect the best leather available here in Ethiopia. And part of the process is after we select the leather, it comes right here to our cutting team. And our cutting team is hard at work. They take the templates and designs that we have, and they're cutting each individual piece by hand. So once the product is cut, we then take it and start to assemble the different pieces as they're stitched together.
Learned a lot of things in the training class?
Mm-hmm. Yes, a lot of things. Thank you.
This is Truye. Truye? Truye. So she joined us a few months ago and has already won the Innovation Award. Oh? Having very little experience, she has learned how to make leather goods, and we recently gave her an award in our factory, our Center of Excellence we call it, for being one of our most outstanding employees, and she is doing amazing, amazing work.
How are you? Is that good cooking?
Made in Ethiopia. Yes!